We'll guide you through how to hide formulas in Excel. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you need to select the entire worksheet by going to the top left and clicking on the triangle. Then in Home, go over to the right and you want to go and click on Format. And you want to click on Format Cells. Now go over to the right here and select Protection, and you want to unselect Locked, like so, and go and press OK. Then you can just go and click on a cell to unselect them all, and go over to the right in Home again, and you want to click on Find and Select, and then go to Special, and you want to go and select Formulas, like so. Now this is going to select all of the cells which have formulas in your sheet here. Go to the top of Excel and click on Home, and go over to the right, and you want to go and click on Format, and click on Format Cells. Then come to Protection again, and you want to go and select Hidden, like so, and press OK. Now you want to go to the top of Excel and click on Review, and go over to the right and click on Protect Sheet. Now all you need to do is go and enter in a password. So I'm just going to go and enter in a simple one like so, and go and click OK. You'll need to go and re-enter it, just like so. Now when you click on a cell which is a formula in, as you can see in the formula bar, it's not visible.